So it is available in secondary market. If you want, you can buy it from the Government of India directly. What I am trying to say is the RBI is not the issuer. RBI is the arranger. Government of India is the issuer. Payment will be made by government.
Actually, I have seen on the website when I do the internet banking that 91 days period, 182 days period. So I think that might have come from.
No, this is the origin of that. When you see the rate, this is the name given. Along with that, they give the maturity date. Suppose this Friday they issue 91-day treasury bill, you can sell it immediately. Or you can sell it on Monday or on Tuesday. But on Monday, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days to ho gaya na? So 88 days left maturity is there. We still call it the 91-day treasury because that's the name given. That's the market practice. Whether it is due tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we still call it the 91-day principle. But we have a jargon called term to maturity. It's just like a FD. You may have opened an FD 10 years ago, but if it is due 2 days later, it is still called a 10-year FD due tomorrow or day after. Okay. So when you read that, you have to be a little careful. In the brackets, they must give the maturity date. But when they give the data, they are giving the nearest 91 because we need to know what are the different maturities, the people who trade and all that. Okay? So please remember, the price at which you buy determines the return. We call it the yield. Okay? Now, companies. Will companies invest? Yes. I think SR was the first company to invest. Why? Because treasury bills are the safest short-term investments. If treasury bill is giving you 80% return today, as of now, if somebody has quoted 98 rupees for the treasury bill, 91-day term treasury bill, it is 8%. It is much more than a commercial bank will give, and you can invest in that. Throughout the world, commercial banks also have a risk attached. They are not infallible, like last year is showed, 1998, no? Sorry, 2008, Lehman Brothers. But in India, we are all very lucky because we have public sector banks, and we all presume that public sector banks will not fail. Therefore, a safe investment would be a FD. But if you don't have public sector banks, what is a safe investment? The safest investment is a safest short-term investment is a treasury bill. I'll give you the example of what happened to SR. They borrowed abroad, what is called external commercial borrowing. When you borrow abroad, you borrow large amounts. But you utilize it slowly for your projects in India. So what do you do till then? You invest in a safe. They bought treasury. Also, state governments sometimes have surplus cash and they are also allowed to invest in treasury. These are the categories, but mostly it is banks and LIC, etc., financial institutions.
And mutual funds also?
Mutual funds, they buy it. We call it a cash management instrument. So it's a very good cash management instrument. We'll come back to that if we get time.
There is only the minimum limit. Minimum is 25,000.
Yeah.
There is no maximum limit.
There is no maximum. Maximum is whatever is issued. Okay.
So basically, to keep this market liquid, you need fiscal deficit also.
Absolutely. Sir's question is that I put it in another way. If government doesn't borrow, is it good? Is it bad? You can have your opinion, but the financial market has a problem. Why? For the following reason. We need cash management instruments which are very, very safe. Let's say all of you, graduate, you go, you have control, and then suddenly you feel very nostalgic, and all of you donate 1 crore each. 25 crores. What should MDI do? Of course, I will say give 1 crore to the faculty who have taught here, but that will not work. What should we do? We will build your batch, public policy batch, so and so hall. एक हॉल बनाने में 25 करोड़ खर्चा करने में, एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग बनाने में टाइम लगता है. We also have procedures, committees, then we have audit committee. We all that you have in Sarkar, we have here. So by the time we take decisions, it is at least 6 months. We want to earn something out of that. We can buy treasury. That is called the short-term money market. That is very short-term thing. And what he said was, if government doesn't issue treasury bill, then these kind of transactions become a big problem. And to facilitate financial team working, treasury bills are emerged. So ma'am, this is one of the answers to your question. It is not that the government needs this money right now and it is borrowing. The government keeps borrowing. And if it borrows every Friday, I know that it is coming to borrow, I can do that. And just imagine, if it borrows you can calculate. Every Friday, treasury bills are mature. So you have, what is the date today? Wednesday, Tuesday. So I can go to the market technically and buy a bill maturing on Friday. That is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday to be paid to me. 3 days investment. Let's say I have 1,000 crores. Okay? 3 days investment. Who will give me money? Nobody will give me. It's an idle cash. मान लीजिए 5% मिलता है. Is it bad? I have borrowed money at 0.05% for 1 day. This is called a money market. That's
ultimately where that money goes, that whatever money is collected through these treasury bills, is it utilized for the industries or something?
It goes into the RBI account.
RBI, then RBI what? RBI does that.
Let me be more technical. It goes into the Government of India account with Reserve Bank. And what the government does with that? Reserve Bank.
Government spending.
It goes into this.
तो इसमें आप थोड़ा सा
treasury bill are maturing on Friday and they are issuing also. They will be made inflow and outflow also on that day.
So इसीलिए RBI is advisor to government of.
It is not so big.
Maybe 200 crores is maturing, I issue 1,000 crores. And that is why RBI as an advisor, there are 2 roles that are there. Government should say, हमको पैसा चाहिए. We need to raise because there is short term. Government will have to see their requirements, how and when it is there. Like I don't know, when my kids were small, I used to do this. March, April आ गया, छुट्टियाँ आ गई, टिकट खरीदना है. वापस आएंगे, बुक्स खरीदना है. You know, so we save for that. So government also does that. It's called cash budgeting. So they have a budgeting, actual cash budgeting they do. So if they need more, they can tell the Reserve Bank, you issue more treasury.